Hey guys, today's Tuesday and I have another Too Good To Go bag to show you that I got last night, and I'll be baking banana bread today after dinner. Hey guys, we got another Good To Go bag. These I purchased though. These were like the little baby roses were $7.99. I think this was $5.99. I got one set for my small table here in the kitchen and then one set for the dining room table. So let's see what we got from Whole Foods today. These are addictive though. I'm not going to do this all the time. I'll probably do another one in a week or so. But we got the bakery bag. We got Jason, oh, I forgot I got it. Okay. We got walnut muffins. And this was $6 this bag. We got raspberry scones. And we got cream cheese Cinnabons. You know what? I think this bag is great. This is $8.99. So right there, we got our money back. And the kids are going to love this. $7.49. $5.49. So this was our Good To Go bag from Whole Foods today. Do not mind my nails. I know I started to peel them off. Horrible. But these are the Greek gyros that we got at a local restaurant. They look really delicious. I've never ate here before, but it smells and looks good. All of us got our own gyro and french fries, except for my daughter. She has chicken nuggets. And that is Tuesday's dinner. And in a few, I will get to baking that banana bread. So I doubled the recipe for this banana bread, but I'm going to include the recipe in the descriptions. But it won't be for doubled, it will be for one loaf. The butter was left out overnight, so it's at room temperature. Now I'm gonna add the sugar in with the butter, and then I will add in the eggs one at a time. It's okay, leave it there. Mommy has it. One at a time, Mama. Mama, add the baking soda. No, add the whole thing. No, this you add the whole cup. Add the whole cup. Good job. Thank you. So they cook for about 45 minutes at 350. I'm going to let them cool for a few, but not too long because I want it to be warm when I serve it. The ingredients are going to be down below in the description, and thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.